In this video, we're going to show you how to get your C5, your C6, and your C7 Corvette differential built up even stronger for drifting and drag racing, so you can have your wheels spinning consistently at all times and have your differential lock in place for better lap times and even more smoke.
These are the factory stock clutches. Okay, so what these do is you go around a corner, you have a clutch material, and it allows the diff to slip, so your inner wheel will spin less than the outer wheel. In a racing scenario, or especially a drift scenario, we want to have everything locked together. And so essentially what we do is we install our spool kit, which doesn't allow any slip, and the wheels are locked side to side. Excellent for drag racing, drifting, anytime you do not want your wheels to slip side to side. We're removing a 1/2 inch of clutches, and we're installing a 1/2 inch of non-clutches. Now also, this is a common failure on the clutch packs. This is a bevel washer, and it puts the pressure on these clutch packs. It's common that these will crack. You'll lose all your tension on it, and then you've lost all the pressure on your clutch packs. Once that happens, you don't have long. The bevel washer is still going to stay here, just so it puts pressure in here. But now that there's no slip, there's no real wear on this washer anymore, so you'll never have to worry about it breaking. We've never had one break yet.
East Coast Supercharging has been around for almost 25 years. You can't think about a Corvette without thinking about ECS. Contact us today so we can get your car across the finish line. Check out ecsgarage.com.